to Digital Marketing Jamaica, guys. Alright, so what I'm going to show you today is how to make some money with Fiverr gigs, and I'm going to show you a way how to make money on Fiverr without knowing how to do graphic designing. So what I'm going to show you, just like how we have this young lady here, she's doing ebook covers. I'm going to show you how to do any form of graphics on Fiverr without actually knowing how to do graphic design. Alright, sounds too good to be true, but stick to the end and you will definitely know how to do it. Alright, so let's go. So this is Fiverr. Let me just give you a brief run through. Alright, so you have persons offering their services on Fiverr. For instance, this person has a gig that says she would design eye-catching ebook and Kindle covers, alright, starting at $10. She has over 1,000 reviews, alright. So let's say only 1,000 person purchase. She made basically 100,000 US dollars from this gig, alright. So let's go ahead, and so we're going to be focusing on graphics. Alright, so the site I'm going to be using with Fiverr is called Canva.com. Alright, this is Canva.com. It's totally free to sign up. They do have a paid plan, but for what we're going to do, you don't need to pay for it. Alright, so on the home page here, you have a lot of things that you can do on Canva. So we have animated social media posts, we have presentations, posters, Facebook posts. Alright, she was doing ebook covers. Here we go, we have ebook covers right here. So let's say we had a gig for ebook covers and we want to create one. I don't know how to do graphic design, you don't know how to do graphic design. We come right here on Canva, and these are templates that we can use. Alright, so let's say we chose this template right here, love and friends, and let's say you don't like the background. You just click that. You can click this delete button right here, and this is white. So let me go ahead and look for another one that's not white. Just want to make this simple. Alright, so let's say, no, that's not the one I'm looking for. Alright, let's work with this one right here called Spark. Alright, so what you can do, you see that line, that means this one is not free. So what you can do is you can delete that. There we go. And then you can upload your own image. You can go on a site called Pixabay. Alright, and then you just fix your image to the back like this. Just pull that out, pull that down, pull this over. Alright, and then you can pull that in a bit. There we go. Alright, so because this image is so long, it gave a bit of trouble, but that's it. So you can basically change the words. So if the person says the name of their book is love, you change that to love, and you can change the name. It's easily edited. You can change anything. You can move it around. Quite simple. And when you're done, you just click this download, and you click download right here. It would ask you the format that you want to save it in, and you would save it to your computer, and that's done. So all you would need to do is basically play around with this until you get to know how to use it. I'm gonna also do a full video on Canva as well, but I'm just trying to show you how you can link this with your Fiverr account. And to create an account on Fiverr is free, guys. So I've also used this because I do have a t-shirt store on Etsy where I sell Jamaican clothes, so I use this for my post. So this is one of the posts that I created for my Instagram page. Alright, so there you go. So it says say hello to wonderful beginnings. This is one of the swimsuits that I have on Etsy, and I use this because these are Instagram story templates. So let's say you wanted to use this one with the ocean. You can do that, change up the words. There's a lot of things that you can do on Canva. So yeah, you can create logos as well. There's some logo templates, so you can have a gig that says you'll create logos. You can have gig that says you create Facebook covers. I do have one of those gigs. I currently have 4 gigs on Fiverr. I do ebook covers, create Facebook covers. I do transcription, that is basically converting video files to text. That one is in high demand. And I have another one. I can't really remember what that one is right now, but yeah. So if you get like 4 orders per day, that's like 20 bucks. I'm sure no one's taking up 20 bucks to give you anything, and you just saw how quick it is to create that Fiverr ebook cover. Alright, so if you get 4 orders, it would take you less than an hour to make those 4 ebook covers or whatever you're offering, because the template is here, it's all laid out, and you can just go on pixabay.com. This is free, and you can search for the images that you want to match the theme. Alright, so I was looking for a couple images right here for couples to do a love ebook cover. So there's quite a few here to pick from, and all these are royalty free, so you won't have to worry about anyone coming back to you saying, hey, you used their image or whatnot. Alright, so that is just a run through of Canva and Fiverr. And like I say, Fiverr has a lot of gigs. There's social media manager, there's gigs for I will help you design your book cover. There's one more. So there's tons of gigs that you can, if you're skilled in any other area other than what I showed you today. Let's say you know how to market real good, you can sell your services on Fiverr. Let's say you're good at writing, you can become a content writer, alright, or a copywriter, and advertise that. Let's say you can do photography or anything, basically anything. I've seen gigs that person's basically saying, I will be your best friend for $5. I don't know how that works, but there are gigs on there for that. So that's just me giving you one more tip, one more way how to make money online from home. Alright, because I'm home every day, I just work from my laptop, so I'm just spreading the news, teaching you how to do it. So just leave a comment, give a like if you appreciate what I'm doing, subscribe, and share with anyone that you think needs this information. Alright, I really appreciate it. Alright, and let me know what you need for the next video, and I'll definitely go ahead and put that together for you. Alright, love you all, family.